and the girl who loves the sea. It calls me.
Bantwana beDlozi, let's talk about the 5 common signs that shows ukuthi wena umntwana wesithunywa ubonakala kanjani. Okay, number 1, it's like you have OCDs. The show ukuthi white t-shirts goes together, black t-shirts goes together, ama blue ahlala wodwa. You know that person who just mixed up everything. You like things to be placed in order. If ubeki ipuni, you make sure ukuthi ipuni zakho ekishini they are placed in the correct manner in your drawer. You are like that person who wants everything to be done in order. Awuzwani nento ebhekekile. Even when you put your shoes, where you store your shoes, you make sure what you left is on the left side, or right is on the left, and they are placed correctly. You are that type of a person. Othanda ukuthi izinto zakhe zihlale in order. You are that person nje ukuthi you get angry futhi bekhona nje la ekuphume khona eceleni. You like everything to be organized all the time. Number 2, you love clean spaces. Uyathanda ukuhlala endaweni ehlanzekile. You love to stay in a very clean place. You wouldn't even care if ufika, maybe you tired from work, maybe usebenza ama shift and you're coming home at 6 p.m. I'll mind when it's spring cleaning at that time, ensuring good you go to sleep clean at the end of the day. We can never sleep in your bedroom if your bedroom has not been swept that day. Was kahle would know angizange ngishanele today. Even if you see would know it's not dirty, but I'm not going to sleep. You are that type of a person. We are turned to stay in clean spaces. And number 3, you're obsessed with taking care of yourself. You like eating healthy. Let me just say you're obsessed with eating healthy. You're obsessed with dressing up smart. You make sure that your hair and makeup is done. If you mudwesfazane, the type of lotion that you use on the body, you're very specific. You are the type of a person who ozithandayo, who smell good. You are that type of a person. Uhlale nje wenza ikhanda lakho nje, it's always perfect. Awuyena lo muntu ongakuthanda ukugama ekhanda. You always make sure ukuthi nje your hairstyle is spot on. If umuntu wesifazane uyazithanda nje kakhulu. You are a very hygienic person. You like taking a bath all the time. You like keeping yourself clean, your body clean at all time. Uphila ngeroutine nje wena to make sure that you are healthy. And you hate noise and crowded places. Awuzwani nomsindo. Umntwana nje ungazwani nomsindo. Be it's an argument, be it being in places enomsindo, and you just don't like noise. Uthanda ukuthula all the time. Hence, when you're at home, you like peace. Even the type of music that you play. You're not a person who's into fast music. You are a person who's more into R&B, more into gospel music. You have specific type of music that you love to listen to. Something that just gives you that peace of mind. And crowded places, they just make you sick, Especially being in a place like ezodwala khona abantu abaningi. Yes, there are places that you cannot avoid being there. Let's say, for instance, you're going home and you have to go to a taxi rank or a bus rank. You have to be there because it's where you get transport yako. So, but for you, it becomes very, very, too much. It becomes very too much for you. It's to bear to be in that place that you when you get home you feel it's okay, I'm much better, when you're at your own personal space. Number 5, you are a very sensitive person. That's one of the most common, signs that we see in most of us. Abantwana besithunywa, you are very sensitive, such a small thing that it will make you cry. You become sad, even if when you're watching your favorite series, whatever, you get very emotional when there's a part la edabukisa khona. You're very sensitive to seeing anyone get hurt. Nje awuzwani nezinto lezi ezizokwenza uphatheke kabi. You do get those moments just for nothing. Uvela uzizwe nje ufike la usizi just out of the blue. Ufike la usizi, you feel like crying, you feel like being alone if bekade unabantu, and you feel like crying and you literally cry, you know. That's one of the common signs yomuntu wesithunywa. Uvele nje suddenly ufikele usizi, ufikele nje ukudabuka, uvuke ney'nhliziyo zakho zakudala. Maybe you've lost a child, maybe you've lost a parent. Uvele vuke zonke lezo zinto nje just suddenly out of nowhere. Uzizwe nje usufikele umzwangedwa and you cry. Umuntu engasangene nje akubuza ukuthi kwenze njani, you won't know and you just cry.